You have me at hello, hello, hello. You have me at hello. Sorry, y'all. I love that song. It's by Beyonce. I am such a fierce. I was just listening to it. Oh goodness, I almost dropped my phone. You have me at hello. I love this album. I'm really a big fan of her old music. I like her new music too, but that's my favorite, her older music. But anyway, we're about to head out. We're about to go get our toes done. The girls are getting ready right now. And who is walking? Look at Zoe over there walking. Zoe, what are you doing, baby? What you looking for, huh? What you looking for? What you looking for? I'm looking for some food, you know. I know y'all got some more of that bacon. I saw you packing it up. But anyway, so we're about to head out. I feel so pretty. You have me at hello. 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 I love this song. I'm so pretty. Just like you. You're pretty too, baby. Hey you guys, so I'm in the car waiting because the girls, Maya's still getting her nails done. Trini's got her eyebrows done. My baby, they tore her eyebrows up. Look at her, she over there upset. Trini's.
Yeah, they're so hard.
She don't really want to show them, y'all. Like, they took some of her brow off. Like, she said, clean up, please. They said, okay, take off, please. That's what happened, honey. But I was like, can we have a discount? Because she doesn't like it, and she's very upset. You know, I was respectful, of course. You know, she took $3 off, and I said, don't worry about it. I pay for it. So, yeah. Pull back. So I spent $50 because to get your toes done now, it's $33. I'm telling you, this pandemic has hit everybody. You hear me? Hit everybody. That's why they went up on their prices. But hey, you can't get mad at them though. Sure, I would have to go up on my prices if, you know, my business almost hit rock bottom. So, yeah. But I got my toes done. They clear because I'm about to have surgery next week, and your toes have to be clear. And I had them lavender and cute or whatever. Because, you know, I like lavender and yellow. So, just letting you know, that's my favorite color. So, please remember. No, but seriously, I'm just waiting on Maya to get her nails done. Sandera got her toes done. So, we gonna go in a minute once they done putting clear coat on this girl's nails and stuff. And we'll be heading out, and then we're gonna go to my brother's house, which is her daddy. We're gonna go see my brother, and then I'm going home. Subscribe, please. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I'm so blessed. Y'all don't understand. I know 2,000 subscribers is not a lot, but to me it is. I could be at 200 subscribers, you know, but I'm getting to 2,000 subscribers. You know, I'm so grateful for the little things, and me being a small YouTuber, wow. Me being a small YouTuber, I also have to work hard too. So, and I can't wait. That's one of the things I want for Christmas is to hit 2,000 subscribers. Once I hit that, I'm gonna be so complete for 2020. Then 2021, I want to hit, by the end of that year, I want to hit 10K subscribers by the end of 2021. Then we just gonna keep going up, you know. I can't wait. I can't wait to have more friends like you guys. Cause y'all be in the comments, just y'all be really supporting me. And sometimes I just want to bust out and cry, but you can't keep crying, you know. Rubbing your eyes, and then you put the roller in your eye, and then you got the roller. You gotta be careful. But anyway, yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet because I'm talking too much, and I'll be back when we get to my brother's house.
Oh, come on, Janae, please. Do I really gotta take a bath? I know I've been messing up for the last couple of days. But hey, don't use that against me. We gotta forgive each other. So, do I have to take a bath? Oh, man. You doing this on purpose. I don't stink that bad. I don't. I mean, I know I stink, but it's bearable, you know? I feel like it's not that bad. But I guess you just can't take it another week, huh? All right.
Hi guys, it's the end of the vlog. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Stay for Vlogmas. Oh, and leave some ideas down below if you guys want to see anything more.
like they said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm tired, honey. I hope you had an amazing day. I love you. God love you. And always continue to be you. Love you. Good night.